So, as I was saying, this collection kind of reminds me of a literature book that I had back in my second year of college when I was first starting to study English Lit and creative writing. And just the format of it is really nice, which I'm kind of a person who really pays really close attention to formatting and like font of books. And so this one was just really beautiful. I just like the way that it's outlined. And of course the editing by Jamieson, I really liked it. The way that she chose to put the essays in order, and then just the blocking of like the headers and everything. I just really enjoyed it. And moving on, I just want to say thank you so much for listening to me talk and taking the time to watch this video of my review. Another thing that I wanted to mention before I log off of this is the year that this was published. So I think that the year that this was published reflects a lot in the essays that are within, and particularly because we were in the middle of an election, we were in the middle of voting, a lot of changes were happening in America, and this is American essays. Donald Trump was elected as our president. There was a lot of controversy going on, and this essay collection deals a lot with life and death and love and meaning, and you know, all of these things that make us human and make us vulnerable to change and vulnerable to being hurt. And I just think that like that reflects within this, that reflects a lot of how Americans were feeling from the 2016-2017 time, whenever all of that was happening. And so that's what I think, that's my opinion, about how the theme of the essays were constructed and what people were feeling in America during that time. And then my main takeaway from reading these essays is, like I said, it's just words have so much power, and whenever you sit and read these essays from these different people from all over America, you feel like you're connected to them, and you feel a real sense of belonging to this country and to humanity. And for people like me who are really busy and don't get a lot of time to socialize with people because we're constantly working or busy, you know, doing homework late at night or whatever the case is, reading gives you that connection to humanity, that connection to people, to emotions, to, you know, thinking and feeling and looking at the stars and imagining like where it all began and where we came from and how this all happened, and thinking or knowing that other people out there are thinking those same questions and they're writing them down and they're putting them on paper, and they're that important that we need to put them on paper and have ink to these thoughts. That to me is the main takeaway for this, for the importance of putting your words out there. However small or big you may think they are, they eventually will reach somebody and make them feel a connection, make them feel comforted. And to me, that is what writing is all about, and that is my takeaway from this. And I just wanted to say thank you guys for sticking with me, and I'm sorry this is split into 2 videos. For some reason it just wasn't getting it all in one shot, so I apologize for that, but thank you so much for your time, and I look forward to hearing your feedback and hearing things from you guys in the future within the next few weeks. So thank you. It's been a great class so far. See you guys later.